Hi everybody, I am going to do a box opening. I have my new doll that I just received from Emily's Dream Dolls, and I've been waiting on this sculpt for a while, but I was so excited to kind of watch her progress through Emily's work on Instagram, and just wanted to share with you guys as I open her up, because another one of her customers just did a really fun opening, and so anyway, just thought I'd do the same. I've never done this before, so like I said, if it's super weird and awkward, my apologies. Anyway, so we'll just get down to it. So we've got some fun stuff. Oh, the baby's in here. Oh my goodness. So she is wrapped in here. You can see that. There looks like a little pineapple stuffed toy. I'm gonna set the baby over to the side for a minute and go through the other things, and then do the baby kind of at the end. All right, and then there's this beautiful box that's full of fun goodies and so pretty. Thank you, Emily. And so I'm gonna go ahead and move this out of the way, and that way we can, I'm gonna adjust this a little bit so you can see. There we go. So let me go ahead and open this up. I don't have scissors, but here we go. Super fun. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here is her COA. And then here's this beautiful dress that she wore in the pictures. My goodness, I didn't know that was coming with her. Thank you, Emily. I thought that was just one that you used for like posing, but this is gorgeous. She has some other little diapers. This is a card from Emily. All right, very sweet. And then she has, in her little pineapple theme, a little pineapple onesie and some little shorts. Another little set of bloomers and a cute pineapple bib. This is adorable. I'll have to do some photos of her in this fun little summer outfit. All right, then we can go ahead and get down to the nitty gritty. So this is Lola by Sieben, I think is how you see it. Number 75 of 250. Anyway, so here is baby girl. And she's all bundled up and wrapped so nicely. There's her little stuffy, cute little stuffy pineapple. And then she has little, it looks like little kitties. Kitties are my favorite. So she's got a little outfit on. Oh my goodness, look at her little legs bent, so sweet. And she is all wrapped up, so she's very well protected during shipment. Oh my goodness, so her little hands. Oh, she's beautiful. Look at her. Look at her pretty hands. Let's take the tissue off. Oh my goodness, look at those veins. I don't know that you would be able to see it, but it's amazing. Her work is just gorgeous. And she's perfectly weighted. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and see her face, just because I've been waiting forever to see her face. Oh my goodness. And she does her little ears kind of stick out. That's the cute about this little sculpt. She is stunning. Look at this sweet baby girl. I've always loved this sculpt because it reminds me of a friend of mine. Her little one looked almost identical to this when he was born, and I just think has the sweetest little face and little tongue. Oh my goodness, look, the little tongue in there. Emily, she is perfect, and her hair, of course, Emily is super known for her gorgeous painted hair, and it is beyond what you would imagine. She has little tiny baby hairs that go all the way down into, like, down to the sides of her cheeks. Let's see her little feet. And they're perfect. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see the rest of her. She's just too sweet and adorable for words. Thank you, Emily. I'll be posting some more pictures and set her up with photos soon, but I just wanted to do this little opening and reveal this little sweet thing. Oh my goodness. She is precious. Every little detail. Her lashes are gorgeous. All the veining on her little eyelids, the capillaries, they're so pretty. I think I said that right. I don't know. Fairly new to all of this, so I don't know all the terminology. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll have more of her, this little one, on my Instagram, but I'll go ahead and tag Emily in this video, and then also tag her in any pictures that I post coming up soon. Thanks.